God's existence is not only evident in nature around us for anyone who will look at it with an open mind and an open heart, but also let's not forget that there is a loving God who is at work in the mind and heart of each individual, convicting that person of sin, and by the Holy Spirit attempting to draw that person to himself, especially through the proclamation of the gospel. And so we're not in this alone. There is a God who loves us, who is doing his best to draw us to himself and bring us to salvation. And no one fails to come to salvation unless that person willingly ignores and resists the drawing of the Holy Spirit on his heart. And so I think quite definitely unbelievers are culpable for their unbelief.